Commercial.
You know, if you wait 3-4 weeks, go to our meeting. Biashara mafuta.
Si tafuta hizi vitu.
Hizi kufuata nyuma.
Mbaya ni kusatu mbali.
Sasa kufuata nyuma.
60,000. Tuna mchezo. Itabidi. Yani hizo utakuta ni bure. Jamaa amesemaje?
I was just asking Pascal to confirm what is it one Monday?
Because Pascal. What are the 3 million?
It's usually more. It was 3 installments of 2 million bullets. It's usually more than Ghana.
Miners keeping together and another versus EcoBank Kenya Limited.
Defendants' bank accounts, and the transactions were to be by way of checks or over the counter withdrawals. Despite as such, the defendants still permitted transactions through internet banking, thereby allowing the majority shareholder to single-handedly transact over US $10 million from the nominal defendant's account. It was thus pleaded that the defendant was allegedly in breach of the bank-customer relationship and had committed fraud against it. This cause of action is as against the defendant was successfully pleaded, particularized, and established by the plaintiffs in the plaint dated the 5th of December 2022. As to whether the plaintiffs are acting in good faith and in a manner consistent with their faithful director, acting in adherence to the duty to promote the success of the company, the answer is in the affirmative. I'm satisfied that the plaintiffs are acting in good faith. I take into consideration the seriousness of the allegations made, more so the colossal amounts involved and the future management of the nominal defendant's bank accounts. It would be in the best interest for the nominal defendant to allow the plaintiffs to continue with the claim as a derivative action on its behalf, which has become a victim of multiple suits that have been filed at its expense. The upshot is that the application is meritorious and is allowed as prayed. The bank statements to be provided to the applicants within 7 days of the date of this ruling. The costs shall be the suits. Been pleaded, but the breaches have also been particularized against each defendant in the plaint. As to whether the plaintiff is acting in good faith and in a manner consistent with the faithful director, acting in adherence to the duty to promote the success of the company, would it take? The answer is in the affirmative. The plaintiff is seeking to recover funds lost by the company. I'm also satisfied that she's acting in good faith. In the end, the court finds the application dated the 28th of November 2022 to be merited and allows the film as prayed, mentioned on the 18th of May. The further directions.
I'll call number 6, miscellaneous number 6, miscellaneous number E826 of 2022, number 7, commercial number E454 of 2022, number 8, miscellaneous E804 of 2022, miscellaneous number E8227 of 2023, and commercial number E005 of 2023.
My name is Wilfred Jame, and I do appear for an applicant, now the plaintiff, Odinta Pasha, in 469.
Yes. Yes, my lord, in that matter, my name is Ishangi.
And E469 222 and in which one?
I also appear in. Sorry, my lord, could we use names? It's much easier.
Yes.
Because of the.
Yeah.
It's E192 of 2023, which I know is not.
It's already contained in the directions.
It is. Thank you.
I've given strict instructions. There will be the legislature has enacted procedural laws on how that access is to be attained. One such law is the Civil Procedure Act, whereby Section 1A thereof stipulates the objective thereof. It is to the effect that the overriding objective is to facilitate just, expeditious, proportionate, and affordable resolution of civil disputes. Kiwipay Kenya Limited is a litigant in this court. It has found itself in a myriad of all manner of suits. In a span of less than 4 months, there are more than 9 suits in which it is involved. The center of it seems to be some monies lying in a bank known as Bank Kenya Limited. Between September 2022 and March 2023, the following proceedings have been instituted in relation to this company. Petition number E010 of 2022, HCC E454 of 2022, HCC number E484 of 2022, HCC E469 of 2022, miscellaneous E227 of 2023, miscellaneous E826 of 2022, miscellaneous E804 of 2022, HCC number E005 of 2023, and miscellaneous 192 of 2023. At the heart of all these suits, as I have already observed, is some monies lying in some bank accounts held by Ecobank Limited. The same monies have been accessed to by some parties, and others are paying for more of it. The disputes in these suits relate to the ownership and management of that company, legal fees to various advocates, fraud against the company, amongst others. During the pendency of the said proceedings, some parties have conducted themselves in the most deplorable manner. There has been forum shopping and multiple applications which amount to nothing else but extreme abuse of the court process. Indeed, the court has been nearly brought to disrepute because of the conduct of some of the parties involved. It is for that reason that I direct that all the files touching on this company be placed before me for perusal and direction. I had presentations from all the parties involved with a view of making a well-informed decision so as not to prejudice any of them. Having considered the nature of the claims in all these proceedings, aware that Article 159(2)(c) requires that justice be dispensed with without undue delay, I have formed the opinion that the disputes herein require to be determined expeditiously and without undue technicalities. The many applications that the court is being bombarded with are geared towards blocking the court from unearthing the truth. In this regard, the parties should be called upon to forthwith present their evidence to prove their respective cases and be awarded the appropriate remedies, if at all. Accordingly, in exercise of the jurisdiction granted under Section 3A of the Civil Procedure Act, I direct as follows. A. Notwithstanding the pendency of an application for the consolidation of all these cases, B. That it is proper that these cases be heard by specific courts so as to avoid forum shopping, conflicting orders, and the likelihood of the courts being brought into disrepute. C, the hearing of the cases be fast-tracked and be concluded within 120 days from the date of these directions, and if possible, the matters to be heard on a day-to-day basis. D, the following cases: petition number 010 of 2022, miscellaneous E804 of 2022, miscellaneous E826 of 2022, miscellaneous E227 of 2022, miscellaneous E192 of 2023, HCC number E005 of 2023, be heard by Honorable Professor Sifuna J. All these matters are to be mentioned before him on the 23rd of May 2023 for directions. E, that HCC number E454 of 2022, HCC E484 of 2022, HCC E469 of 2022 shall be heard by this court. These matters will be mentioned tomorrow for directions on how they will be disposed of. These directions will be placed in each of the aforesaid files. That will bring some sense of normalcy in all these matters. Those who will appear before Justice Sifuna, please do so, and the instructions are to proceed on a day-to-day basis. Those cases that will go for Wigaboshe testimonies will also be expedited. Conclusions on or before the 31st of July. Thank you.